folks, we're looking at Ocean Man by Ween. A cool tune. This one's requested by Michael Collins over at Patreon, so shout out for him. Thanks for suggesting this one. We're in standard tuning. In terms of tone, obviously I'm using single coils, bridge pickup for the most part. Yeah, there's a tiny amount of grit to it, if you wish. The overdub, you'll go into neck position for that, you know, for all that. You know, all that stuff. And then you want a fuzz pedal for the solo. You could play that in bridge or neck, really. You know, neck position would be... I'm using the Jam Pedals Fuzz Phrase Sigh for that. So let's dive in, shall we? This is a pretty straightforward song, so it shouldn't take too long to get. It's basically like a 12-bar type phrase. You know, like that. And then you go to the B. You know, for the second half of it, right? So you're going to be palm muting, playing 2 strings at the same time, and mostly 8th notes, okay? So the first riff, 2, 3, 4. Like that, and around again, okay? It does that twice. So it's pretty straightforward. You're playing that type of thing, but your third finger's going to go onto the 4th fret on the A. Like that. The last note in the second bar is actually a full... It's like a F sharp 5 chord that you slide up to the next position, okay? And if you slide up with that power chord, then you're in, you know, the same position, right, to get the next part. So, slowly. Then the second riff goes between the A and the B, just 1 bar each. Same phrase though, pretty much, right? Like that, okay? So note that I'm not palm muting that last note. And with the exception of like a middle 8 part, that is it. That's all there is to it. But there's some overdubs. Now if we go into neck position, the second guitar part, it's played over this part. The A to B part, okay? And you're going to be arpeggiating. And the exact tab is... Again, one more time slowly, just follow along with the tab. I'm using my little finger on the 14th fret there. Back down. That's it, right? Because that goes around twice of... Back into the E to B, and over that, that's cool, it goes... That's the A part, then the B part is... And that repeats around again, slowly. Like that, okay? So you do twice around that, and then back into this. Nearly fluffed that bit up. That is back into the A to B part, and then we're into the solo. Put your fuzz on. I'll play through the first 4 bars. It goes 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay, I'm going to put it back into bridge position. I like that better. So we have some unison bends. It starts on the second beat. So 3, 4, 1. And then... Okay. It's like an unintentional pull-off there. I think it's just by virtue of taking the finger off to move to the 9th fret, right? Okay, then the next bar goes... Okay, for the next part, again. You'll notice that that 3rd and 4th bar is almost as identical, right? But you're basically playing this. It's a southern rock bend type thing. 12th fret held by little finger, and then you got your 11th fret with your 3rd finger on the next string down. And you're going to bend up and play. So you do 6. And then... So you do a little run at the end there. And then again. And then into this. Rhythm part's gone to A here, right? Okay, something along those lines. So again, we'd have... And then... Again, those bends. 3, 4, 1... Like that, okay? Only slight variations, this little breakdown. It's just an A like major chord to a B major chord. Does that twice, then you're back into that twice, and then back to the main riff. Then the A to B part again, twice around that, and then you end with an E. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.